All right. So yeah, hi guys. Couple of days back, I was scrolling down YouTube and I found a channel named Point 99. And surprisingly, I have seen his content before. Not literally like I saw his interview 12 years ago where he scored 100 percentile in CAT, and also he was a faculty of IMS mocks. I have seen the analysis videos of him and the solution videos of him in IMS mocks. So he was familiar to me. His name is what, Shashank Prabhu, I guess, from Point 99. And while checking his channel, what I found out that he provides daily free. It's free, first of all. They not sponsored. Also, it's not sponsored. I thought I will share it with you guys. So it was beneficial for me. So I thought, why not share it with you guys? So not a sponsored video at all. I can also whatever. My channel is not that big to get sponsored also. So yeah, I saw he has a free course of his where not a course, not a topic wise course. What he does is in that uh, he clubs past year CAT papers, RCs, questions and mock questions of past years. He makes that in a test format and he provides students one at a time. Every day one test is released. It's for free of course, so it's a good. I solved a couple of RC tests of him. It's quite good. Like we can solve it from previous year mocks. We have the mock. I have shared the link of the previous year mocks, right? But in a time restricted manner. It's in a test format, so it's quite good. And what I'm doing is I'm solving one RC test right in the morning. Whenever I get like 10 to 15 minutes, I just see if you have 20 minutes now extra, so you don't know what to do. Instead of just scrolling or wasting my time, I just click on that test and give the test. It's free practice, right? And also time restricted manner practice. It's a good thing. So you guys can check it out. It's free and it's also very helpful, at least for me. So I thought I will suggest that to you guys. I guess I'm not able to what explain it to you correctly. What he does is previous year CAD papers, previous year mocks. What he does is he clubs them together, not all of them together, but he does a 20-minute test of 2 RCs or some VA questions, or in quants only arithmetic questions or algebra or geometry. In LRDI of DI puzzles or LR puzzles, he clubs them together, makes it in a test format and then releases it. With that, he also has the solution videos in them. Like it's a great, we can get the mocks and the previous year mocks, the questions and all, but we can't get the solution videos. He himself puts the solution videos on YouTube. We can directly get the solution videos from the test only in the explanation tab. And yeah, it's Takshila also has the same interface. So I was like good. And yeah, it's a great platform for you guys if you really want, or yeah, whatever. Not a paid promotion, so why I'm promoting it too much. But it was a great initiative by him, and I thought I would share it with you guys and it will help you guys. So yeah, that was it for today. I will tag him or just mention his YouTube channel in the description or something like that. You can do check it out. The name is Point 99 by Shashank Prabhu. Yeah, big shout out to you, Shashank Prabhu sir. You are doing a great work, and yeah, thank you.